I was just wondering, whenever the session happens, we have got so much of articles coming in the newspaper. Uh, uh, when we have got PT 2025 is coming in the month of May, we would have done one session and then we will be gearing for the second session there, the monsoon session. I was just wondering, keeping 2025 in mind, what aspects of Parliament that you think that the students should start collecting and start preparing, apart from the long list of things that you've already given? Do you have something more in your mind?
Yes, sir. Sir, I would like to add broad areas which, in my opinion, have always been a part of UPSC's favorite topics, in which I would say that, first of all, they should take care of the budgetary provisions, the outlay of the constitutional provisions associated with budget. Secondly, the officers of the parliament, as discussed earlier also. Thirdly, they should also take care of the composition of the houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And in this, I would say the nature of elections, how elections take place. And this has been something which is in news. And that is why I'm suggesting that after the general elections of 2024, there have been voices. India should explore the idea of proportional representation. So from there, I would want to suggest a new topic, which is that first past the post system versus the proportional representation system. So a difference between the electoral systems and what are the benefits and the demerits or the benefits and the advantages of the system. This is something which I would want to add as a part of the current affairs part. And then I would say that parliamentary privileges, although has been asked in mains, but the recent Supreme Court judgment makes it a very important topic from the prelims perspective also. So Article 105 and the provisions associated there, I would suggest the students to take care of this aspect also. And thirdly, I would suggest that parliamentary disruptions have been happening time and again. And because these disruptions have been happening, the idea with respect to how a parliamentary session is convened, how many sessions are there, budgetary session, monsoon session, do we have to necessarily go for 3 sessions, special session, what is a special session, or prorogation, adjournment associated with sessions. This is something which I would want to say that, yes, can be another area from which the UPSC may ask questions, and they have already asked questions on this front also earlier.